Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to change the theme in a Facebook Messenger chat. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, open Facebook Messenger on your mobile device. Tap on one of your chats. Tap on the eye icon at the top right of your screen. Select Theme. Select a theme of your choice. You can also scroll down in order to explore the various other themes available. To select a theme of your choice, simply tap on it. Tap on Select in order to apply this theme to your chat. And that's it. This is how you change the theme in a Facebook Messenger chat. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.